Hello, my dear friends. Today's lecture in Science of Excursion will be lecture number 13. It's about digitalization of excursion service. In today's lecture, I would like to explain to you that what is it digitalization in excursion and tourism industry, what types of digital tools nowadays in excursion services, and planning digital excursion in general, how it should we organize these types of services, and of course with our storytelling and interpretation in digital excursion will be explained to you, and finally its challenges and best practices will show to you and introduce to you. And as usual, it's today's lecture will start with lecture glossaries. It's one of the new glossaries or topics. It's augmented reality, AR or VR, virtual reality. Both of them, it's very important to understand difference and the importance of it in excursion services. It's AR, it's overlaying digital content onto real world environment. Here you can see or show, or here it will be mostly with mass media or different media services. VR, it's virtual reality, fully immersive computer-generated environment. It means that you can see or watch tourist destination by like video, or it will be virtually you can watch. That's why it's very important to understand the difference both of them. The purpose of today's lecture is to understand the principles of planning and exclusion of digital technologies in excursion services, and also highlighting sustainability and also visitor engagement and innovation in general. By the end of today's lecture, you can understand, or you can able to define difference between digitalization and also mass media services in excursion services, and identify types of kinds of digital tools which apply we can apply in excursions, and apply digital tools to enhance sustainable guiding practices, and also you can use different sustainable tools for your services and the digital services. Theoretical foundation I would like to share with you, because it's very important to understand what's the difference before lecture and after lecture theoretical foundation, and related to practical, because here we can discuss technology acceptance model. It was invented by Davis in 1989. Here we can see that here highlights or focus on guides or tourists adapt digital tools based on perceived or usefulness and ease of use. It means that depends on your preference, or depends on tourist preference. What is it, digitalization in excursion services? It's firstly, digitalization transforms how excursion are planned, delivered, and experienced by different types of digital tools. Here it's very important because it enhances accessibility, engagement, and education. It will be digital will help to enhance your excursion very properly. Here we can support other sustainable tourism by reducing physical resources, which is very significant or essential. Types of digital tools. Here, as I said before, it's AR, VR, and mobile applications, e-guides or audio guides. Nowadays, so popular, a lot of destinations, and online platforms, which is also very usable like tools, which is integrated by digital tools. Planning digital excursion is very important because without this, it's not possible to do like properly. That's why it's firstly access digital infrastructure and target audience, like teach literacy. It means that before using digital like tools or excursions, you should uh, investigate your target audience and your digital infrastructure. It means that what types of digital infrastructure you will use. And then design tools integrated AR or VR and mobile apps. It means that depends on your target audience, you will use which you can use, which types of tools you will apply for your excursions. Then incorporate sustainable practice and reduce environmental impact. It means that you should consider about sustainable like impact from your excursions, and finally ensure or guarantee that usability or accessibility and safety. It means that your digital tools should be like firstly very useful, helpful, of course, and also accessible for everyone, for your target audience. Digital storytelling and interpretation, how it will be. Firstly, use multimedia content such as video, images, or soundscapes. Then interactive narrative to engage visitors. It means that you should organize involving your tourists or your visitors by your digital tools. Then incorporate gamification for learning and exploration. It means that gamification is very important because by using digital tools in your excursions, that's why gamification, the like gamification way, it's very easy and also interesting will be. Finally, customize content for different visitor demographics. It means that depends on your target audience for the preference and for the interest and purpose, of course. The challenge in digital excursion service, it can be or might be or should be, and it's of course depends on your target audience firstly, secondly types of your tools and etc. It's firstly technical limitation. It means that connectivity, device capability depends on internet services or quality of internet, cost of technology implementation. It means that nowadays, like using technology in your excursion services, it will be mostly high price. Then maintaining authenticity and visitor image. It means that authenticity is very important to consider, but supporting it will be difficult by using digital excursion services. Then digital literacy barrier for some audience. It means that some target audience cannot use properly. So for example, audio guides or other like gamification applications in your digital excursion service. That's why it's also another difficulties to implementing such tours or excursions. And final, privacy and data security consideration. It's one of the biggest problems or issues in such situation. Now I would like to share with you best practices and cases, like real world wide cases. It's Firstly, AR guided city tours nowadays using very properly in Istanbul or Rome. VR museums experiences nowadays for a lot of destinations integrated by Google Maps or Google applications. Then ecotourism digital platforms. Costa Rica rainforest AR experience is nowadays very popular. And also it's one of the new AR experiences. Then mobile application integration for interactive heritage trails. It means that mobile application nowadays one of the useful application for enhancing excursion services and final hybrid approach. It means combining physical guiding with digital tools. It's also another best practices and cases. In conclusion, in this lecture, I explained to you the significance of digitalization in improving person experiences and services, and then planning and guiding principles for safe, engaging tourists or visitors and eco-friendly digital excursions. Then digital storytelling and the interpretation techniques or tools to educate or inspire visitors. It's also another importance of today's lecture. Then challenges in implementing digital tools while maintaining authenticity. It's also, I explained it to you, introduce it with examples and final best practices and cases, which is one of the successful digital excursion services in the world, for example in Louvre and in Istanbul, such as it's very important to understand. Today's lecture references, firstly, from the first to five, additional resources in video references. You can see, watch, and read. It will help to you understand properly today's lecture and to do easily your seminar. Thank you for your attention. I think today's lecture was so helpful and interesting. Bye-bye.